Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to today's yoga practice by the beach, by the ocean. One more time, let me remind you, my name is Jana, and I'm here not only to give you the yoga class, but also I want to share with you these amazing Caribbean vibes, the natural sound of the ocean which is behind me. And I want you to enjoy this beautiful sunrise. And I hope you can charge yourself with the energy of the ocean, of the sun, and let's enjoy the practice. So first we need to sit down in a comfortable position. You can put something under your glutes if you feel tight on your hips, in order to keep your posture straight and stretch your spine all the way up to the sky. Let's close our eyes and work a little bit on our breath. Make a deep inhale and slowly exhale, relaxing your belly, relaxing your ribs. Find your shoulders, how are they feeling? Are they relaxed or tight and going all the way up toward your ears? If they're here, try to rotate them back and relax them. Stretch them toward your hips. And one, inhale. Try to connect and synchronize with the sounds of the waves. And we're gonna connect our inhale with our movements of the chest, okay? So let's open up the chest and push it a little bit forward and bring our hands back like the waves, like the wings. Inhale. And exhale, bring your hands forward, round on your back. You can look in your belly button. Inhale, open your chest. Connect your shoulder blades. Let's make all the movements soft and gently. Inhale up. In the meantime, we are stretching also the front line of our neck and the back line of our neck. Inhale one more time. And exhale, round on your back. And last inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round on your back. Crisscross your hands and grab your knees and just relax here. Giving yourself nice and deep breathing. And try to spread your shoulder blades. And you are kind of pushing your shoulder blades and the upper back vertebra more like further from your hips. Where is your shoulders? Put them down your shoulders. Just relax here. Inhale. Come back center. Let's change the crisscross of our hands and we're gonna do the same. Rounding the back. Feel the nice stretching of your spine. Inhale. Exhale, come back center. Very good job, guys. And let's put now the right hand on the yoga mat. Rise up the left hand. Look to your left side. Open up the chest. Exhale. Bring your left hand all the way forward, like keeping the diagonal. And imagine that you want to touch the floor and stretch it toward yourself. And you can stretch also the right hand and look behind your right shoulder. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe rise up, come back center. Again, open up your chest. And then move forward, stretch it forward. And exhale, very good job. And from here, come back center, rise up your left hand, and let's do side stretching. So we are stretching to our right side, and if you can put your elbow to your yoga block, yoga mat, you can do it. If not, then you just stay here, but keep your glutes on the floor and imagine that you are kind of pushing your left hip toward the floor, trying to smash something. Very good job. Every exhale, let it go. And then round on your back, bring your left hand forward in front of yourself. And after that, the right hand. Rise up the right hand, open up your chest. Inhale, exhale, stretch it forward, diagonal. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Inhale again, open. Exhale, stretch it forward. Try to keep your glutes on the floor. And come back center. Rise up the right hand all the way up. Push your ribs to the side and let's stretch to the left side. So we're pushing the right ribs to the right side. And imagine that you want to touch the floor with your right hand. And keep breathing. And then exhale. Stretch your hands all the way forward. And try to bring your forehead on the floor, or you can put your wrists above each other and just bring your both hands under your forehead and relax here. Give yourself nice stretching of your glutes, of your hips, of the lower back. Breathe deeply and exhale. And exhale. Very good job. And from here, tackle your chin, round on your back, and slowly go up. Very good job. And from here, stretch your right leg in front of yourself, and let's rotate our body to the left side and then to the right side. Inhale. And one more. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Very good job. And from here, we're rotating to the left side, and in the same time, rotate your right hip toward the left heel, okay? And we are going to half pigeon pose. Stretch the floor toward yourself, look in front of yourself. You can open up a little bit more, or vice versa, you can stay, your left heel can be super close to your pelvic area. Open up your glutes. Inhale. Exhale, go down to your elbows. Give yourself nice stretching of your left glutes. And exhale. Look in front of yourself, slowly go up. And now open up the right hip and bring it in front of you. And then back again. Inhale, front. Exhale, back again. And your body is still staying straight in front of you. Very good job. We're staying a little bit more in half pigeon pose. And then open up your hips and bring it back, your right leg. Stretch your toes up, rotate your chest toward your right knee, and you want to go down slowly, stretching your back line. You can be here, it's fine. You can hold your Tell yourself under your right hip and just try to stretch your chest forward and just relax here. Round on your back. You can grab your foot and try to put your forehead on your right knee. You can bend your knee, it's fine, or you can stretch. Find your comfortable way to do that. But don't force it. Tackle your chin, rounding the back, come back to the center, and let's switch the legs. So from here we are rotating to our right side, inhale center, exhale left side, just gentle rotations. And from here, rotate your left hip toward your right heel and find yourself in half pigeon pose. Open up your chest. Exhale, bring your hands on your forearms and just relax here. If you want to go deeper, you can go deeper. Way to do this asana, and inhale, go up again. And from here, open up your left hip and bring it in front of you. Back again, exhale. Inhale forward. Exhale back. I'm full of this beautiful sand. I'm having the scrub in the meantime. Okay, bring your left leg in front of you, and then you can bend your knee. Remember, grab your hip and rotate your chest toward your left knee. First you are going with your straight spine, and then here, as soon as you put your belly on your hip, you can relax your upper body and just put your forehead to your knee. And with every exhale, you want to try to stretch your knee and push the floor with your knee. Your shoulders down, they are not trying to reach your ears. Pull them down. Very good. Tackle your chin, round on your back, come back, center. Now stretch your both legs in Dandasana position. Stretch your both legs. And from here, make a note. You need to sit down on your sit bones, okay? Try to feel them, that you are cracking on the floor on your sit bones. So you can also bend your knees a little bit in order to keep your posture straight and rise up your hands. Inhale. Exhale, go down. Inhale, rise up again. Exhale down, stretch your toes up. And you can stay here for nice 3 sessions of breathing techniques. Breathe in and out. And with every exhale, you can bring your knees. Try at least to push your knees toward the floor. And you are kind of stretching with your chest all the way forward. Inhale. Exhale, slowly go up. Very good job. And put your hands here next to your hips. Sorry guys, I'm gonna distract with the sand a little bit. But that's the beauty of doing yoga on the nature. Anyways, bring your hands toward your hips. Put your feet on the floor and then connect your shoulder blades in the center of your spine, and from here Your feet has to be straight on the floor, okay? Root with them. Your fingers are also very strong, pushing the yoga mat. So I'm not sitting down like this, I'm pushing the floor, opening my chest. And imagine that you have like a bowl with water on your pubic bone and you want to bring it up and look at it and then slowly bring it down. Yeah? Keep moving. Up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good job. It's fine. I know we are here, but keep using it. And imagine that you are pushing your hips all the way up and slowly go down. A very good job. And from here we are moving to the child position. Let's relax a little bit our lower back in the child position by breathing 3 deep breathing sessions. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, relax your hands and fingers. You are enjoying this moment. And from here, look in front of yourself. Bring your hands closer under your shoulders. Contract your glutes a little bit, and we are going up with no hands, not pushing the floor, but we are kind of rising ourselves. And bring your hands on your pelvis, lower back, and push it a little bit more forward. And from here again, we are going down with no hands. Try to do it. Very good job. Then round and back and slowly go up. We can do the waves from Balasana to the camel pose. And again go down. Tackle your chin, round on your back. And again you are going to Ustrasana position. Connect your shoulder blades together. And use the glutes power in order to push your hips forward, okay? And then round on your back. And again you are going down to child pose. In the child pose, let's stretch our hands in front of ourselves. Put your fingers on your tips. Open up your knees a little bit more wider and let's shift from side to side, from the left hip to the right hip. Very good. You are kind of trying to touch the floor with your chest. And we are staying in the center. And let's move forward, bending our elbows forward. And then back again, rounding the back in the child pose. And again forward. And the wide position of your hands. It's fine. And one more time. Around on your back, go back center. And from here, stretch your hands and slide all the way forward on the yoga mat. And trying to push your chest on the floor. Not to push, but to bring it to the floor. Your pelvis and your knees are the same line. And just relax here. You can put your chin on the floor or the forehead. Or you be somewhere here, it's fine. Just keep trying to touch the floor with your chest, okay? And from here we are going to our forearms. And we're gonna do cat and cow position, but our forearms are under your shoulders. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, round on your back. Tackle your chin, tackle your hips, and belly. Inhale. Open. Exhale, round. And you are kind of trying to squeeze the yoga mat with your hands. And exhale round. And from here, come back center. And we want to move back and forth, okay? Make sure that you don't have too much back bend. Your spine is neutral. Keep squeezing the yoga mat with your elbows and your fingers, and we are moving back and forward. Like if you want to bring your chin behind the line of your fingers. Very good job. Exhale. And exhale. You are staying here. Your chin is above your fingers. And let's stretch the left leg back and then the right leg back and find yourself in a nice plank position. Imagine some situation where you want to show your anger and your power, and you are pushing the floor and scratching the floor. But don't forget to breathe in and breathe out. Put your knees on the floor and relax a little bit in the child position. And from the child position, round on your back. Come to the tabletop position. Put your toes on the floor and let's stretch our feet by bringing the glutes back, trying to put them on the heels. And you want to feel the nice stretching of your feet. And then again forward and then back. Come back center. Let's do some rotative movements to our pelvic. So we don't move that much chest, but the pelvic, okay? In and out, in and out. And as soon as you found yourself bringing your coccyx out, rotating it out a little bit, try to go all the way up to the downward dog position, but with your knees bended, and you are stretching your hands, arms, and your chest toward your knees, and then pedal your legs one by one, trying to touch the floor with your heels, but don't change the position of your pelvis. It has to be out. Your tailbone, you are kind of like a dog showing the tailbone, okay? And try to keep your look between your feet. Very good. And from here, rise up your right leg, open up the hip, rotate it up, then bend your knee and just relax here. Imagine that you want to put your heels and your feet on the floor. The left foot is on the floor, stretching and rooted. Come back center and step forward between your hands. Find yourself in the lower lunge position. Look in front of yourself and bring your knees on the floor. Inhale and then exhale up. Inhale down again. You can look in front of yourself. Exhale up, and from here let's prepare for the Virabhadrasana 1 position. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2 position. Inhale, open up your palms, and with the next exhale find yourself in peaceful warrior by bending back. And then come back center, and let's work a little bit on our feet mobility. So what we are basically doing, we are standing up on our toes of the right foot. Your hands are open like this. And then to your heels of the right leg as well. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. Very good job. And let's also do the same with the left leg. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. If you feel tired from your hands, you can put it on your hips, but I want to work out on my shoulders too. And let's do it together with both legs. Up and down. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. And from here, Stretch your right leg, shift forward with your right hand and put it on your shin or your right hip and bring the left behind the right, left hand behind the right hip, and you're just here stretching your spine, looking up to the sky, and we can see the storm is coming, and you're just here stretching your hips. Very good. If you wanna, and if you can and you wanna go lower and then rise up your left hand in the Utthita Trikonasana position, you can do that, and then bring your hands, both of them forward. Put your hands on the floor. From here, step back in the plank position, Kumbhakasana. Exhale, rotate to your right side plank position, Vasishthasana, and bring your hips all the way up. And then bring your hands to the floor, Kumbhakasana, and rotate to your left side plank position. And come back center, and put your knees on the floor. And let's relax a little bit in Virasana position. Hero pose. Stretch your arms in front of yourself and relax your wrists. Bring your fingers down and you want to pull them toward yourself, one by one. And then shake your fingers. Very good job, guys. And come back again to the tabletop position. Breathe the pelvis rotations. In and out. Out. You are showing here your tailbone. Out. In. Out. So from here, when your tailbone is out, prepare for the downward dog position. Stretch here first your chest toward your knees. Your shoulder blades want to meet each other in the center of your spine. And let's pedal your legs one by one. And don't lose the position of your pelvis. You can always check yourself. Stop and do in and out rotations. Out, and then you keep moving your legs. All right. Now put the right heel on the floor and rise up the left leg. Then open up your hip, rotate it left and up. And then bend your knee and just relax here, like if you want to drop to the floor, but you are just controlling it. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back center. Bring your knee toward your chest and move forward and step forward in Virabhadrasana 1. Well, we are doing lower lunge from our knees down and then up. So we are preparing the hip bones to go all the way up to Virabhadrasana 1 position. Inhale. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2 position. On our feet mobility. So you are standing toes and heels from your left leg. Toes and try. And then you are doing the same with the heels and toes. Heels and toes. And then together. Toes and heels. Toes and heels. And then put your feet on the floor, stretch your leg. Behind and grab your left, or it can be just rotate. And slowly with every exhale you want to go down and bring your both hands forward. Step forward with your right leg. Find yourself in Uttanasana position. Bend your knees, relax your belly on your knees, put your hands on the floor. Let's shift from side to side, like swinging like a snake with our spine. And from here, put your hands to your shin, look in front of yourself and stretch, like you are pushing yourself away from your shin, and stretch your knees, and you're stretching the whole spine and looking in front of yourself. And then bend your knees again, round on your back, and again push your shin back. And from here, stretch your hands forward, and with a strong back, you are going all the way up. Inhale, exhale, bring your hands in Namaste position, and we are about to finish. Bring your hands down, and let's do balance practices, Vrikshasana or tree position. So for that, bring your weight to your right leg and then rise up the left leg, and you can put your foot either inside your right shin like this, or even on the floor. Find your comfortable way and bring your hands together. Look in one point, like 2 meters in front of yourself, not changing the vision, and that will help you to keep the balance. And if you are bored here, you can go a little bit higher and bring your foot inside your right thigh and rise up your hands. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel yourself strong as a tree. And breathe out, bring your hands in front of yourself, your chest, and put your left leg down. And now rise up the right leg. And you can remember that you can do it a little bit lower, or even on the floor. It's all up to you guys. Feel yourself a palm trees. Exhale, bring your hands down and put your hand on the floor, and let's crisscross our legs like this. Bend your knee and sit down on the floor in the comfortable position. And I want to finish our class with the Nadi Chakra Pranayama breathing. It will help us to stabilize the right hemisphere and the left one. Our right side with the left side. Close your eyes. Make a deep inhale. Exhale. Relax your belly and your shoulders. And the left hand will be in Chin Mudra. So you connect your index finger with your thumb and put it on your knee. And the right will be the index finger with your middle finger together connected. You put it in the center of your forehead between your eyebrows. And the thumb will help you to close the right nostril, and the tipsy one will help you to close the left nostril, okay? So for now we are closing the right nostril. Make a deep inhale through the left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold your breath, close your both nostrils. Exhale right. Inhale right nostril. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold your breath, close your both nostrils, open both, and exhale. Put your hand on your knee. Make a deep breath in with both nostrils. realizing how much it's important for us to breathe, appreciating our nostrils, appreciating every inhale and every exhale. Put your hands together in Namaste position. Bring them toward your forehead where we keep all our thoughts, and try to fulfill that area only with positive thoughts. Feel it, do it. Bring your hands in your chest toward your heart and fulfill that area only with kind and good feelings. Feel it with some empathy, with love, and with thankfulness. And bring your hands toward your mouth and fulfill that area only with the good words, positive words. You can say yourself, I'm here, I'm now, I'm all good, I'm whole, I'm alive, I'm thankful for that, I'm proud of myself, and I love myself. And namaste, have a great day. I hope you really like the class. And if you have anything to share with me in the comments, you are welcome. And see you next time. Bye.